Hi everybody, it's Dean from Granthams Retford. Today we've got this fantastic leisure Treka RL Elite. So it's got an Elite pack on it which is exclusive to Granthams. Fantastic colour, I'm sure you'll agree. Quite unique. There's a lot of things that make this a special camper van. Let me show you. You've got the alloy wheels here which are unique to the Elite Treka range. Rather than just a standard colour cab, they've gone for this like a gunmetal grey, which is throughout the whole van. Even the awning case is coloured the same. And as we come back here, the hookup case and the barbecue point, again, same colour as the van with the graphics down the side. Flush fitted windows, so there's less noise as you're travelling. You come around the back, you've got an integrated reversing camera in the brake light which has got infrared sensors on it. Both these doors open to give you access. You can even remove, which I think is particularly good, the centre section. So if you want to sit there on a nice day and look out over the sea or wherever you are, you can remove that whole section and enjoy the scenery. If you come around this way, even the Truma vent cap is colour coordinated, which is really unusual. Black skirts all round, back to the black alloys. You haven't got to worry about gas bottles. It's got an onboard tank so you can fill up at a petrol station when you get low on LPG. Fantastic value. Let's go and take a look inside. So we've got this absolutely massive lounge at the back. This could be used as single beds or pull these two sections together. You've got a choice of where you want to sleep. You can sleep transverse, which is 6 foot sit across, or you can use it as a huge king size bed, depending what you need. Power points, there's plenty of USB chargers. Not only have you got USB point here, you've also got USB chargers integrated into your 230 volt sockets. It comes with a TV, as standard, so you haven't got to spend any extra providing that. You've got a TV aerial as standard, solar panel on the roof as standard, awning, reversing camera, satellite navigation, microwave. All of this is standard equipment that you wouldn't get on a normal van. Fantastic cooker, 3 hobs. You got a gas, a gas grill and oven combo. Steel hob. Fantastic workspace here. Thinking if you need extra space, you just put that down. If you want extra power points, not that there's a shortage of power points, but this is a brilliant idea. Again, USB chargers and 230 volt sockets. Bathroom stroke wet room. Bearing in mind I'm 6 foot tall, I can get in here no problem whatsoever. Shower, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And the sink conveniently pushes out the way when you don't need it. So if you want to come down and have a look at these, give us a call. We've got a couple of them left that are coming through from the factory, and we've got the demonstrator for people to view on site.